Hi guys, this is Muskan and welcome to Glam Shades, the show where I review products so you don't have to. आज मैं आपके साथ बात करने वाली हूँ काजल्स के बारे में. The first beauty product that I ever used was my mom's kajal, and ever since there was no going back. The product that I'm going to review today is by Lakme Absolute. It's the Kohl Ultimate Kajal. Every time I go out for parties and events, the one problem I always face is that my kajal and eyeliner don't stay put. इसीलिए when I heard about this kajal from Lakme Absolute, I had to give it a shot. It's much proof, waterproof and long lasting. According to the brand, it's dermatologically tested and lasts up to 16 hours. I've grown up using Lakme products, इसीलिए I always look out for what's new. Lakme is India's first beauty brand. It's over 50 years old. इनके products specially Indian skin के लिए craft किए गए हैं. This kajal comes in a black pencil with white text on top. इसका color payoff इतना intense है that you'll get all the pigment you need in just one stroke. The best part I think about this kajal is the other side of it. It comes with a smudger. तो इससे आप अपने काजल को blend करके multiple looks create कर सकते हैं. Come let's find out more about it. पहले सीखते हैं कि एक smoky eye कैसे किया जाता है. Trust me, it's the simplest to do, but it creates the most impact. Apply the kohl along your upper lash line. You can adjust the thickness of the line depending on how intense you want the smoky effect. Line your lower lash line and waterline with the kohl as well. Use the smudger at the other end of the pencil to buff out the line easily and create a smoky effect. आप एक डार्क न्यूड कलर की मदद से अपने अपर आईलिड को ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं. This will give you an airbrush finish. आइए देखते हैं एक विंग लाइनर कैसे क्रिएट किया जाता है. Apply the kohl pencil along your upper lash line from the inner corner of the eye to the outside. Carefully extend it further out and bring it back in towards the outer corner to create a wing. अब अगर you want to try something new, I'm going to teach you how to do a reverse smoky eye. ये क्रिएट करना बहुत ही सिंपल है और इंडियन आउटफिट्स के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. Take your kohl pencil and run it along the lower lash line and waterline. Use the smudger to smudge the liner and create a smoky effect. Be careful not to go overboard with the smudging, as the goal is to keep the smoky effect only on the bottom line. For an Arabic eyeliner look, line your upper eyelid with the kohl pencil and extend it outwards and upwards in a way. Then, apply the kohl along the lower lash line and waterline. Then extend it outwards and join it with the wing on top. Now, carefully use the pencil at the inner corner of the upper lash line and bring it further in towards the nose and join it with the innermost corner of the lower lash line. Use the pencil to draw along the inner corner of the lower lash line and slightly extend it towards the side of the nose, pointing it downward. Make sure all the ends are pointed, and here you go. The smudger definitely gives this pencil an extra edge. क्योंकि even if you're a beginner, ये smudger की मदद से you can create many different looks and experiment. That's why if you're looking for an intense look that's long lasting, I recommend you get this one. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more videos.